In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Tradingview chart. If your candles look stuck, data seems out of date, or the chart feels zoomed way out of place, there are two quick, reliable actions you can take to get everything back on track. I'll explain what each one does, when to use it, and what to expect so you can choose the right fix with confidence. First, the fastest way to refresh your Tradingview chart is to reload the page. On Windows or Linux, press F5 or Ctrl+R. On a Mac, press CMD-FA. This tells your browser to reload the entire chart page and request the latest data from the server. It also reinitializes your indicators and scripts, which can help if something didn't load correctly or a study isn't updating as expected. Keep in mind, a full reload is like starting the page fresh, so give it a moment to pull in all symbols, indicators, and drawings. If you rely on autosave, your layout is usually preserved, but it's still wise to be mindful of any unsaved changes before you refresh. Now, if your issue is that candles have disappeared off screen, prices look squashed, or the timeline has drifted, you may not need a full page reload. Instead, use Reset Chart View. Right-click anywhere on the chart area and select Reset Chart View. This instantly recenters the price and time scales, bringing current candles back into focus without reloading the page or refetching data. It's the ideal move if you've zoomed or panned too far, switched symbols and lost your place, or compressed the chart so much that everything looks like a flat line. Because this action only resets the view, it's quicker than a full reload and won't interrupt what's already loaded. So here is a simple way to think about it. If you want to make sure your data and studies are refreshed from the source, use the browser reload with F5, Ctrl+R, or CMD-FA. If you just need to see the price action clearly again and fix the chart's position, right-click and choose Reset Chart View. You can use them independently or in sequence, but often one of them is enough. With these two tools, you can tackle the most common chart hiccups in seconds and get back to analyzing with a clean, accurate view. Try the quick refresh when data looks stale and use Reset Chart View when your layout is out of frame. That's it. Thanks for watching.